The Keys to LATAM Conference, unlocking the potential of the Latin American market.
We're proud to be partners of this conference because we know what it takes to work within the Caribbean and Latin America and bringing all those worlds together. A couple of things that our businesses need to understand. Your product is of the highest quality. From it is on the Jamaican marketplace, you know that it is a world-class standard. What you need to, however, know is how to repackage those products into the languages, specifications for each of the markets. From this Keys to LATAM conference, you're going to hear all the kind of certifications, all the kind of standards of quality of products and services, how to move your products through, what are the duty regimes, etc. All of those things will come into this conference. We can learn that it's not a difficult process. You just have to step out in faith, be eager, seek those marketplaces, start to get databases of customers out there that are in similar fields like you. Eventually, you may become like a Jamaica producer where you can set up your own facilities in those markets. But believe me, it takes a first step. You get the information, put the information together, and expand your horizons. If you want to build your businesses for export, go to keystolatam.com for tickets.
The Keys to LATAM Conference, unlocking the potential of the Latin American market.